Hi, I'm Edie and welcome to my Cuban culinary journey. Bienvenido. Today we're going to Bon Vivant in Miami Lakes. They do charcuterie boards, hacen tablas de charcutería. So we're gonna see their store and everything they offer. And we're also going to visit Trelles Cottage. It's my favorite gift shop in Miami Lakes. And Bon Vivant is going to inspire me to make a Cuban charcuterie board. I've always wanted to do that. Una tabla de charcutería cubana vamos a hacer hoy. Vamos pa Miami Lakes. Let's go see Bon Vivant y Trelles Cottage to get some inspiration. We are here at Bon Vivant and the owners are going to show me a little inspiration behind their charcuterie boards. I'm going to make a Cuban-inspired charcuterie board home, pero I want to taste some of your stuff. So tell us about your shop.
Absolutely. So we're located right here in Main Street of Miami Lakes, and the name says it. We are a charcuterie and gourmet market.
Yes.
So in our market, you're going to find a little bit of everything from European hams, cheeses, a lot of local vendors, a lot of women-owned brands that we like to support as well. And you're going to find anything from food to hosting gifts to anything from wine charms.
Yeah.
And then we also specialize in our charcuterie boxes.
Yes, so good.
And I'll have Lily talk a little bit about that.
So today, you and your bestie are going to be having what we call a tablita. That's part of our secret menu, not online, not found anywhere, and only to be eaten here in store. So it's the perfect plate to share between two people. And we're going to have our truffle cheddar, which is the most popular cheese that we have.
God. Anything truffle.
Anything truffle. Our manchego. We're going to have brie, prosciutto, and wine salami. And just specially for you, we're giving you the guava habanero.
Ooh, qué rico. Ya tú sabes.
Another fan favorite and Lily's favorite. That is the perfect plate. And then you will be sharing it with an albariño.
Qué rico.
Which is a delicious wine.
Yes.
Made from just the most crisp grapes that you can find from Spain.
Amazing.
And we also have a little secret ending to your lunch day.
Ooh.
A little treat. It's our most popular dessert that we have in store. But I'm going to let you go ahead and finish up your tablita first.
Yes.
And then we can talk about
I'll finish it very fast. So dale, vamos a comer. Let's eat.
Have our albariño.
I love
Get ready.
albariño.
So this is actually the amber label of Gran Basang.
Qué rico.
And it's so good.
How do we properly taste wine?
Well, I'm not a sommelier, but I do drink wine a lot.
That counts. That counts. That counts.
So usually what I do is I take my first little sip and then I keep the wine in my mouth and I kind of breathe in through my mouth. Swish a little bit and then take a swig. Swallow it.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Delicious. All right, ladies, here we go.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Enjoy.
Wow.
Make sure to put that guava habanero on all the cheeses. And
Everything.
you get a nice little
You don't
side
have
of
to
chips.
tell me twice.
Oh my God.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh my
The
gosh.
truffle cheddar though, hold on. I can't even listen to what you're saying. I'm gonna do like you with the manchego and the guayaba habanero.
The guayaba is excellent. It's fire.
Oh my God, I feel the kick. The habanero. I love how they slice everything fresh to order, all their boards. They have different sizes. They have dessert boards. Like this place, I couldn't work here. I don't know how you guys work here. I would be eating my own supply every single day.
Well, every time I come, they also have something different. So their selection changes.
Yes,
And they're
it
always
does.
finding different local vendors. So
Yes.
love that.
And they're always doing tastings and events.
Are you
Wow.
ready for dessert?
Always ready for dessert.
Instead of girl dinner, it's girl lunch.
Girl lunch. Girl lunch. Absolutely girl lunch.
This is our very popular burnt fast cheesecake, and we have topped it since we're doing a Cuban culinary tour
Yes.
with mango passion fruit jam.
Que rico.
Oh,
And
the
their
force.
cheesecakes are addictive.
They have their original chocolate pistachio.
Yes, they're all amazing.
I would stop by here before a movie. Get the little tablita,
Lunch board,
a little wine,
lunchbox.
a little saucy, and then go catch a movie. Bueno, guys, thank you so much. Everything was amazing. Everything was special. Bon Vivant. Please make it your way out here to Miami Lakes. This is the perfect tablita for like movie night, date night, their boards, everything for a boat day.
Yeah.
Summer's coming up. So come visit my girls. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
love you,
much
girls.
for coming.
Thank
We
you.
love
This is like a Miami Lakes thing with people with golf carts.
Golf cart community.
Okay, there you go. All we're missing is a cafecito. Dale, let's go shop at Trelles Cottage. Vamos. We are here at Trelles Cottage. This is my favorite gift shop in Miami Lakes. I have so much stuff from here. Kim is going to show you some of the new products that she has and also some of my favorite.
Thank you, Edie, so much for coming, for promoting local businesses. So everybody knows Para Mi Bebé. I know you love your mitas.
I
Perales hair
do.
brush.
My mita de Perales.
We
Look at
do
this.
have a Para Mi Bebé Sota collection
That's
that
so
just
cute.
launched. And we have it as a collaboration with 305 Pride. It smells like pure nostalgia.
We have the Dale que tú puedes with the cafetera. That's one of my favorites.
We also have our newer ones, El Jefe.
Yes.
So this would be for Ray.
Yes. Pero la que manda soy yo. That's a cute hat set. Yes.
And we can't forget our Tengo Chisme.
Tengo
and
chisme. We have Albisa candles here. Look at this. Look at these baby clothes. Look at that. We love Colada Joe. So Colada Joe is here too. Come stop by the Trelles Cottage. Come see Kim and tell them that Cuban Culinary Journey sent you. Dale. Bon Vivant, Trelles Cottage. Thank you so much for your hospitality. Se lo aprecio mucho. Now, vamos a hacer nuestra tabla cubana de charcutería. Let's start our Cuban charcuterie board. It can be anything that you want it to be. Una tabla de charcutería cubana, hay tantas opciones para usar. So today, we're going to have masitas de puerco, croqueta, pastelito, pan, you name it. I'm going to have it on this board. I am so excited. First, we're going to use this pan right here. And I like it because it has raised sides. So esto te aguanta toda la comida. So primero vamos a empezar con papel abajo. We're going to put parchment paper just to kind of protect everything. And I like this because you can handle it. You can take it anywhere. Se puede cargar facilito. So vamos a empezar con esto. We're going to start with masitas de puerco. I love these. And actually, let me show you how I made them. Déjame enseñarte la receta de mis masitas de puerco. Super sencilla, super easy. Ahora tenemos las croquetas. Las croquetas no pueden faltar. We cannot forget las croquetas. These are de jamón. You can have de carne, bacalao, de queso, whatever croquetas that you like. I also have these Cuban crackers, estas galletas cubanas. I actually get them from Havana Vieja Bakery in Hialeah. Estas son mis galletas favoritas. My favorite Cuban crackers. As you can tell, they're very buttery and salty. Tienen mantequilla, sal. Riquísima. We need Cuban crackers. I also have a tray of pastelitos. Seguro que no podía faltar los pastelitos. We have de queso, guayaba y de carne. So we have guava pastries, cheese pastries, and meat pastries. And however you want to arrange them, just make sure that they look nice, okay? Presentación. Como luca más bonito. And I like putting a variety because to me, my favorite son de guayaba and somebody else might like de queso. Mira qué rico. Esto sería perfecto para un juego de dominó. If you have a domino game going, this is a perfect addition to your domino party. Mira qué rico se ve. I mean, I'm not even done and I already want to eat it. Yo no he terminado todavía y ya quiero comérmelo. Let me know in the comments what you would add to your Cuban charcuterie plate. I mean, mariquitas, seguro que sí, absolutely. You don't even have to make it, right? No tienes que ni hacerla. Puedes comprarla ya hecha. And you can even make a little mojito dip. Eso te puede ser un mojito para las mariquitas y las masitas de puerco. Tú sabes que si tengo galleta, tengo que tener queso crema y mermelada de guayaba. And of course, what other jam am I going to use if it's not mine? We have guava jam and cream cheese for our crackers. Look at that jam. Natural. Esa mermelada de guayaba natural no puede faltar. Perfect. A little timba action. El queso crema, la guayaba, cream cheese and guava. Very, very complimentary. You can add whatever cheese you like, el queso que te guste. Puedes echarle jamón serrano, queso blanco. I have a little Gouda, okay? We love a little Gouda cheese. You could also do mermelada de mango jam, dulce de coco. And now let's add a couple sweet touches, un poquito de toquecitos dulce. Tengo aquí una masa real que piqué en tres, so I just cut these in 3 that I got from my local bakery, Havana Maria Bakery. At this point, I'm like looking for space. Estoy buscando espacio. I also have these giant merenguitos. I think I need to, I need to rearrange. Okay, aquí, un merenguito para aquí. Un merenguito para acá. Is there anything else we can put in here? ¿Qué falta aquí? Mira esta tabla. Look at this Cuban charcuterie board, how fun it is. Let me know in the comments qué es lo que me falta. What would you add? Se puede poner tostones, plátano maduro, ensaladita, pasta de bocadito, sándwiches de bocadito, other pastelitos. I mean, there's so many things that we can add to this. Yuca frita, boniato frito. I can go on and on and on. But you know what? While you guys think about it, yo voy a comer, yo voy a jamar. Muchas gracias a Bon Vivant y Trelles Cottage. Thank you very much for showcasing your business. And guys, let me know if you make this. Y mira, buen provecho. Dale. This masita right here is calling my name. Look how soft that was. Suavecito. Okay. Bye. We are here at Eat Bon Vivant with the owner. Wow! I hit record. We are...